Welcome back. Today I will solve exercise 7.1 in integral. Find the antiderivative or integral of the following. Question number first, sine 2x. So solution of this question, sine 2x. So derivative of, so we know that derivative of cos 2x is equal to cos 2x derivative minus sine 2x, and also derivative of 2x is equal to minus sine 2x into 2. So x with respect to dx 1. So 2 minus 2 sine 2x. So d upon dx cos 2x. So sine 2x is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 d upon dx cos 2x. So therefore derivative sine 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. This is answer. Question number 2, cos 3x. So we know that d upon dx sine 3x. So derivative of sine 3x is equal to cos 3x into derivative of 3x 3. So 3 cos x, 3 cos 3x. So d upon dx sine 3x. Now cos 3x is equal to 1 by 3 d upon dx sine 3x. So antiderivative of cos 3x is equal to 1 upon 3 sine 3x. Question number 3, e की power 2x. So we know that d upon dx e की power 2x. So derivative of e की power 2x is equal to e की power 2x into derivative of 2x is equal to 2. So 2 e की power 2x. So d upon dx e की power 2x. So now e की power 2x is equal to 1 upon 2 d upon dx e की power 2x. So antiderivative of e की power 2x is equal to 1 upon 2 e की power 2x. This is answer. Question number 4, find antiderivative ax plus b की power 2. So since d upon dx ax plus b power 3. So derivative of 3 ax plus b की power 3. So derivative of power. So 3 into derivative of this power ax plus b power 3 minus 1 into also derivative of d upon dx. So ax plus b. So now 3 ax plus b की power 2. So derivative of a common out. So derivative of a d upon dx ax plus d upon dx b. So now 3ax plus b power 2 into a into 1 plus 0. So 3a ax plus b power 2. So d upon dx ax plus b की power 3. So a plus b ax plus b की power 2 is equal to 1 upon 3a and d upon dx ax plus b power 3. So anti-derivative of ax plus b की power 2 is equal to 1 upon 3a and ax plus b power 3. This is answer of given question number 4. Find the following integral. Question number 6. Integral of 4 e की power 3x plus 1 dx. There are two functions. So integral and dx multiply by in this function. So integration of 4 e की power 3x into dx, and in this function multiply by integral and dx, and plus integration of 1 dx, and also 4 is constant, so common out in this integration 4 integration of e की power 3x dx and plus integration of 1 dx. So now 3 e की power 3x. So let 3x is equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x. So 3 into 1 is equal to dt upon dx, or dx and ax. Differentiating with respect to x, 3 dx upon dx is equal to dt upon dx. So 3 and dx, x derivative of x with respect to x, so 1 is equal to dt upon dx. So 3 dx is equal to dt, or dx is equal to 1 upon 3 dt. Now these value put here. So 4 integration of e की power 3x is equal to let t, so put here t, e की power t, and also dx replace this 1 upon 3 dt, so 1 upon 3 dt plus integration of dx is equal to x, and 4 and 1 upon 3 common out, so 4 upon 3 integration of e की power t dt and plus x, so 4 upon 3 integration of e की power x is equal to e की power x, so e की power t integration e की power t plus x plus c, constant arbitrary added, so written as 4 upon 3 e की power, so put t is equal to 3x, so e की power 3x and plus x and plus c, this is answer. So integration of 4 e की power 3x plus 1 dx, there are two function addition, so integration and dx multiply by in this function, so 4 e की power 3x integration dx plus integration 1 dx this, and 4 common out and integration e की power 3x and dx plus integration 1 dx e की power 3x, so this is, we know that integration of e की power x is equal to e की power x, so this is coefficient of 3, so remove this, now let 3x is equal to t, यानी 3x को हम t मान लेते हैं और x के रिस्पेक्ट इसका डिफरेंशिएशन फाइंड आउट करेंगे, तो वह dx इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 3 dt मिलेगा, एंड 4 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e की पावर t पुट हेयर एंड dx आल्सो रिमूव, सो dx इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 3 dt, so now put here this value 1 upon 3 dt and e की पावर t, यानी 3x is equal to t, so integration of 4 and 1 upon 3 common out, 4 upon 3 integration of integral of e की पावर t and dt plus integration of 1 dx is equal to, यानी इंटीग्रेशन dx 1x, so integration dx x and e की पावर t इंटीग्रेशन, so e की पावर इंटीग्रेशन e की पावर x, so e पावर x, so इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e की पावर t dt is equal to e की पावर t and plus x, so added arbitrary constant, so e की पावर t now remove this, t is equal to 3x, now e की पावर 3x, तो 4 by 3 e की पावर 3x plus x plus c, this is answer of given question. Question number 7. Integral of x square in bracket 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. Now calculate this function. So we get integration of now x power 2 multiply by in this bracket or break in bracket multiply by this. So x square minus x square upon x square. So dx. So now integral of so x square cancel out minus 1 dx. So multiply by integral and dx in this function. So integration of x power 2 dx and minus integration of 1 dx. So integration x square integral of x square in bracket 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. So x square multiply by in this bracket we get x square minus 1 dx. So integral and dx multiply by in this bracket. So integration of x square dx minus 1 dx. So now we know that d upon dx ax integration of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So now this formula x power n, so we get x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now this x 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 and x power 2 plus 1. So now n is equal to 2 and plus 1, 2 plus 1 x power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 and integration of dx. So x plus arbitrary constant c. So now x power 3 upon 3 minus x plus c. This is answer. Integration of in bracket ax square plus bx plus c and dx. So integration and dx multiply by in this bracket. So integration of ax square dx plus integration of bx dx plus integration of c dx and also common out constant a integral of x power 2 dx plus integral b common out integral of x power 1 dx and also constant c common out integration of 1 dx. So now a and we know that integral of x power n plus x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. According to this formula, now we can solve this integral x power 2 dx. We get x power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 and also b x power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 and plus c and 1 dx is respect to x integration. So x we know that so integration of p dp is equal to p, integration of dy is equal to y, integration of dx is equal to x, integration of dm is equal to m. So this p integration dp p integration dy y integration dx x and integration dm m. So now according to this, so integration of dx is equal to x and also arbitrary constant c. And you can solve a x power 3 upon 3 plus b x square upon 2 plus c cx c, this is a small cx plus capital arbitrary constant c. So c x plus c. And also you can solve a upon 3, arrange this, plus b upon 2 x square plus cx plus c also. So this is answer of given question. Now question number 9. Integral of 2x square plus e की power x dx. So now integration and dx multiply by in this function. We get 2 integral of x square dx plus integral of e की power x dx. So 2, we know that x power n integration is equal to n plus x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So now according to this formula we can solve x power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 and integration of e की power x is equal to e की power x. This is formula. So e की power x plus arbitrary constant c. So 2 into x power 3 upon 3 plus e की power x plus c and 2 upon 3 x power 3 plus e की power x plus c. This is answer of given question. And question number 10, integration of in bracket root x minus 1 upon root x whole square dx. So we know that a minus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab. According to this formula we can solve integral of root x square plus 1 upon root x square minus 2 times of root x into 1 upon root x according to this. So cancel out and dx. So this bracket integration of root and square cancel out x, 1 upon 1 square 1 and root cancel out x and minus 2 dx. So this multiply by integration in this function. So integration of x dx and plus integration of 1 upon x dx minus integration of 2 dx. So now and also written in form x power 1 dx plus integration of 1 upon x dx and 2 constant common out in integration of dx. So formula integration of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So now a minus b whole square this, so root x square plus 1 upon root x square minus 2 times of root x 1 upon root x according to this. So now we can write here root square cancel out x and 1 square 1 and root n square cancel out, this is 1 and cancel out we get 2, and integration of x and dx and integration of d 1 upon x dx and minus 2 integration of dx, and also in this form written in x power 1 dx and plus integration of 1 upon x dx minus 2 common out 1 dx. So now according to this formula x 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 and plus integration of 1 upon x dx log x. So this is positive, and minus 2 integration of dx, so get x, and also arbitrary constant plus c. And this solution x square upon 2 plus log x and minus 2x plus c, this is answer of given question.